Are you planning a trip to multiple countries and need a reliable eSIM to stay connected? In this video, we will show you how to easily purchase and activate a global eSIM. Whether you are staying for a month or a year, you've got the best options for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which eSIM data plan is right for your trip around the globe. Before choosing a data plan, make sure your phone supports eSIMs. Most new phones do, but if you are not sure, check your settings. The best global eSIM depends on your data needs and length of stay. For trips lasting 1 to 2 weeks, 5 to 10 GB should be enough for emails, messaging, and navigation. If you're staying longer, consider a higher data package or an unlimited plan to avoid running out of data. Some eSIM providers also support top-ups. Now that you know how much data you need, let's compare the available plans. Head over to simpackers.com or click the link in the description to see the latest global eSIM deals. Start by selecting the duration of your stay. You will first see the most affordable options for a 7-day trip. If you're staying longer, adjust your trip length and explore plans for up to 1 year. Remember this tip: if you use a lot of data, sort the plans by data to get the most gigabytes. Be aware that some unlimited plans may slow down your speed after a certain limit. If you need consistent high-speed data, look for a high data plan with no restrictions. Are you not sure which plan to choose? Check out the quick summary at the end of the list to find the best, cheapest, and unlimited global data plans all in one place. Once you have found the perfect data plan, click Buy Now to purchase directly from the eSIM provider. Before you make the purchase, review the list of supported countries, so make sure that the eSIM works in all destinations you plan to visit. During checkout, make sure to use our exclusive promo code found on our deals page to save on your purchase. After your purchase, you will receive instructions for installing your eSIM. Typically, you just need to scan the QR code with your phone, install the eSIM, and activate it. If you encounter any issues when activating your eSIM, refer to the instructions. Depending on the provider, you may need to input specific APN settings or manually select the correct network. And if you're still having trouble, reach out to the eSIM provider. The top-rated providers on simpackers.com offer responsive customer support. And that's how you can find and activate the best global eSIM. If you're deciding between providers, check out our reviews and comparison guides on simpackers.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching and safe travels!